How's it going, everybody? Aaron with Siegfried's Motorwerx here today. We are going to be doing a What's Up at Motorwerx video for you guys. It's been a while since we've done one, partly because we've been so slammed on the service side of things. The season's been absolutely crazy for us. We're really happy to see that. And like I said, our service department, we're booking about 2 to 3 weeks out right now, which is a great thing to have as a service department. And also our unit sales have been absolutely amazing this year. But at any rate, let's show you what's in stock now on our floor here at Siegfried's Motorwerx. We have a 2009 Hyosung GT 250R. This bike is actually sold. We took a deposit on it yesterday. We didn't even have it on our website at all. Customer came in, bought it before it even hit the website. So that one is sold. Honda Rebel 250. This is the one that if you watch our YouTube videos, I'll put a link to it up here. We did the exhaust video on. Customer bought it, hasn't had a chance to pick it up yet, so that one is still here. We have a Honda Elite 80cc. This bike is also sold. Just waiting for the customer to come pick it up. We have this 2014 Honda Nc700x. Link to the ride video up here. Cool bike, great commuter bike, great all-round bike, really fun bike to ride. But this one will be on our website, smwx717.com. We have this, another Honda Elite. These couple bought these two. Again, just waiting for them to pick this up. We have this 2018 Harley-Davidson. What is this bike?
Breakout.
Oh, that's right. It's Kyle's bike. It just lives here. Come in, make an offer to Kyle, and watch him tell you no. You can offer him 25 grand and watch him tell you no. It just lives here. I store shit for free. We have this little pocket bike here. We actually just did a full service on that today. We're just keeping it up front so it doesn't get lost in the back, because obviously this thing being so little, it's easy to lose. But so that one is here. We just finished up the service work on it. Over here, finally, we can make the announcement. We are officially your Genuine Scooter Company dealer. That's right. You need anything Genuine Scooter Company related, Royal Alloy related, Genuine Motorcycle related. We are your dealership now. We will have a full line of Genuine scooters coming up. However, with the way that the market is currently going, Genuine can't even keep them in stock. So this is what we could get. This is what we have. So at any rate, we had used, this is a 2018 Genuine Scooter Company Roughhouse 50cc Sport. This one is sold already. We're just, again, waiting for the customer to come pick it up. 2021 Genuine Scooter Company Hooligan 170i. This is in the matte titanium finish. Beautiful, beautiful bike. If you see these things online, you see the stock photos of it, they really don't do them justice. This is the first time we really had a chance to get in depth with one of these 170i Hooligans. It's a great scooter. Did a ride video on it. I'm not sure if it's going to be up before this video or not, but check out our YouTube channel. You can see the full ride video on this one and see what it's all about. Like I said, really, really cool bike to ride. This is Genuine Sport offering in their upper tier class. So this one does carry a higher price tag. I want to say it's $33.99 for that scooter there. And we do have a little bit of a selection of Buddy 50s available. We have a Buddy 50 in white, a Buddy 50 in seafoam, another Buddy 50 in white, and another Buddy 50 in seafoam. The Buddy 50 is a great scooter, especially if you're in the market for a 49cc scooter. Hands down, you cannot beat the Buddy 50, especially in the new market. And even if you're dealing in the used market, I don't know if anyone watching this video has looked around, but scooter prices are through the roof right now. What you pay for one of these Buddies new is what you're going to pay for a used 10, 15-year-old Yamaha Zuma. And these scooters come with a 2-year unlimited mile warranty. They also come with 1 year of roadside assistance, and these have the exact same motor that was in the 2002 to 2009 Yamaha Zuma. Now, you might be thinking, why would I buy a brand new bike that has a motor that was ran in 2009? Yamaha made the mistake of they stopped running that motor. Hands down, the 02 to 09 is the best Yamaha Zuma that was ever made. It's one of the best 49cc scooters on the market. However, now with the genuine offerings of both the Buddy 50 and the Roughhouse Sport, it's kind of hard to say the Zuma is the best. Personally, I would put the Yamaha Zuma 02 to 09, any of the Genuine Scooter Company Roughhouses, and any of the Genuine Scooter Company Buddy 50s in the same first place position in that 49cc class. They're awesome. They're super fun to ride. Lots of modifications available for them. Lots of performance parts available for them. All in all, they're just great scooters all around. So Anything you need Genuine Scooter Company related, please keep us in mind. Let us know. We are going to be doing full reviews, in-depth reviews, walk-around reviews, ride videos, everything on any Genuine Scooter Company scooter that we sell. So if you're in the market for one of those, let us know what you want to see. We'll try and get one in the meantime and let you guys know what they're all about. We do also have this fully customed out Honda Ruckus, still with the factory 49cc GT motor in it. I'm going to pull this one out here quick just so we can get a better look at this thing. This thing literally has everything done that it could possibly done to it. Bride seat, all purpled out, man in the box, everything. We did a ride video on this. I'll put in the link here because the list is literally monstrous for how much stuff's done to this one. But definitely a cool scooter. And then we also do have this 2005 Yamaha Vino, 125cc in stock. We just finished this one up, fully serviced, new tires. The paint on this one is really, really, really nice. It looks practically brand new, so someone obviously really cared about this scooter. Mileage-wise on this one, 4,208 miles. This one might not be on the website yet if you're looking at it, but at any rate, thank you so much for watching. If you can, hit the like button, leave a comment, let us know what you think of our showroom. Tell us which one of these bikes or scooters on our showroom is your favorite. And yeah, I don't know where else to go with that. And if you can, hit the subscribe button. You can stay up to date with everything going on at Siegfried's Motorwerx, your Central Pennsylvania pre-owned power sports dealer, and now also your buddy, Genuine Scooter Company dealer and authorized service center. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.